Good morning, students. Today, our topic is conversion of days into hours. Conversion of days into hours. Okay, let us discuss with the help of some examples. First of all, we will rewind that we have already discussed about time. We already know time is measured in three units: hours, minutes, and seconds. We have already discussed about it. There are three units of time: hours, minutes, and second. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We have already discussed 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And we know that there are 12 number on faces of a clock, and our hand moves 2 rounds in a day. Okay, our hand moves 2 rounds in a day in a clock. So there are 20, 12 into 2. So there are 24 hours in a day because our hand moves 2 times. Okay, so there are 24 hours in a day. So one day is equal to 24 hours. We should know this for converting days into hours. What is the relation between days and hours? One day is equal to 24 hours. So for converting days into hours, as we know, for converting from bigger unit into smaller, this is days, it is bigger unit and it is smaller. For converting bigger unit into smaller, we multiply, we use multiplication. So we multiply the number by 24 because in one day there are 24 hours. And for converting hours into days, means for converting smaller unit into bigger units, we will divide by 24. We will use division. Okay. So what we will do for converting days into hours? First of all, we will discuss how we can convert days into hours. Means how we can convert bigger unit of time into smaller unit. Okay. So for converting days into hours, we know we use multiplication. We will multiply number by 24. Why by 24? Because in a day there are 24 hours. Now let us discuss with the help of some examples. Suppose we want to convert 6 days into hours. How many hours? Now these are days and this is hour. So first of all, write relation between days and hours. One day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, now how many hours in 6 days? In 6 days, 24 into 6 hours. Okay, now we multiply 6 4 ja 24, 2 carry 6 2 ja 12 plus 2 144. So 144 hours. Okay, for converting days into hours, we will multiply the number by 24. Okay, so 24 into 6, 144 hours. Let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to convert 5 days into hours. How many hours? Okay, now again we know one day is equal to 24 hours. So 5 days is equal to 24 into 5. Okay, so multiply this by 5. 5 4 ja 20, here 2 carry 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 2 120. So 120 hours. So in 5 days there are 120 hours. Okay, let us discuss one more example. When we want to convert days and hours, days plus hours into hours. Okay, now there is mixed question in which days and hours both are present. What we will do, let us discuss with the help of examples. Suppose we want to convert 4 days 6 hours into hours. How many hours? Okay, 4 days and 6 hours. What we will do, We know that in one day there are 24 hours. Okay, so we will convert days into hours and we will add these hours into answer. Okay, now one day is equal to 24 hours. So how many hours in 4 days? In 4 days, 24 into 4. How many hours? We will multiply, use multiplication. 4 4 ja 16, 1 carry, 4 2 ja, here 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 960 hours. But 6 hours are already given to us. We will add these 6 hours to this number. Okay, so how many? 6 plus 6 12, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 2. So 102 hours. Okay, so 4 days 6 hours is equal to 102 hours. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to convert 2 days, okay, and 8 hours. This is the question given to us, and we want to convert into only hours. Okay, now 8 hours are given to us. Okay, so we will convert 2 days into hours, and then we will add these 8 to the given number. Now 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 2 days is equal to 24 into 2, 48 hours. But 8 hours are already given to us, so we will add this 8. Okay, 8 plus 8 16, and 4 plus 1 5. So 56 hours. Okay, in this way we can convert days and hours into hours. Okay, now let us discuss how we can convert hours into days. Okay, in this way we can always convert a smaller unit into bigger. But before doing that, first of all we will discuss some statement sums related to conversion of days into hours. Okay, suppose the question is given to us: a train takes 2 days and 5 hours to reach Mumbai. To reach Delhi. Okay, a train takes 2 days and 5 hours to reach Delhi. How long does it take in hours? Okay, this is the question given to us. A train takes 2 days and 5 hours to reach Delhi. How long does it take in hours? So time is given in form of days and hours, and we want to convert into hours. So let us do time to reach Delhi is equal to how many? 2 days and 5 hours, and we will write in the form of hours. So 2 days, we will convert 2 days into hours, and 5 hours are already given to us. Now we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 2 days is equal to how many hours? 2 into 24. Okay, how many hours? 4 to ja 8, 2 to ja 4. So how many hours? 48 hours. Now we have converted 2 days into hours, but 5 hours are already given to us, so we will add these 5 to this number. Now 8 plus 5 13, 1 carry, so 4 plus 1 5. So 53 hours. Okay, so time to reach Delhi is equal to 2 days 5 hours is equal to how many hours? 53 hours. So in this way we can convert days into hours. For converting days into hour, what we will do? We will multiply the number by 24, because in one day there are 24 hours. Now this was all about how we can convert days into hours, how we can convert bigger units of time into smaller unit. In next lecture we will discuss conversion of hours into days.